Oh my gosh. Winter is definitely here.
Guys, we have our first real storm of the season. I think there's over a foot in the forecast. We had to have already gotten at least 8 inches. We've decided we should probably plow now, and we're probably going to have to plow again tonight.
I don't know whether to be nervous or excited because as you saw last year, plowing didn't always go so well for us. But the good news is that this year we're plowing our new road, which means that we have about a third of the distance to plow as we did last year.
The other great news is that this storm is really cold. The snow is light and fluffy, and it's a perfect way to break in our plow legs for the season. So let's see how this goes. I promised the dogs they could come with us, so let's get them loaded up. Let's get the truck warmed up.
I think we need to clear.
And I think maybe we need to start by clearing the truck off. Right now. Oh my gosh.
We saw this storm in the forecast, so we went ahead and got the plow set up on this truck. This is the same plow we had last year, but it's a different truck. So upon my first test run, our new road is so rocky that the plow was just smacking into every single rock that we hit. So I added these feet on the bottom of the plow that are just welded onto the blade to get the plow up and out of the rocks a little bit, and it seems to have helped a lot. So I hope that these feet keep the plow up and out of the rocks and we have a lot more successful of a plowing today.
Okay. Ready to go. It is cold today. It's currently 17 degrees out, which for here is cold. Okay, here we go.
Hurry up and warm up, truck.
You can't see anything.
I can see a little bit.
I'm stuck here forever. This is where I'll be. Guys, this is so much snow.
You know, something I take for granted sometimes is some of the cool shots we get on this show, and here's what we have to do to make them happen. That's Courtney over there, standing with a camera out in the cold snow so that we can get this shot of me from the outside. Now, I get to stay in the warm truck. Courtney's the one out in the cold.
That was the most successful attempt we have ever made to plow our road.
We literally just plowed it without any problems.
We didn't get stuck. There was places to put the snow, and we did it in less than an hour.
The whole thing, we're done.
That's so rewarding to be able to plow the road that we built.
I think this winter's going to be a lot easier for us, and I hope I didn't just jinx it. Before YouTube, we had a small off-road shop and manufacturing business, and part of that business included shipping products all over the US. We quickly learned just how important it was to be prepared for the chaos of the holiday shopping season. It felt like there was never enough time in the day, and the last thing we wanted to do was spend time driving to the post office. And then we discovered Stamps.com, and it became our go-to for all of our shipping and mailing needs. Stamps.com is a 24/7 post office that can be accessed anywhere. No lines, no traffic, and no hassle. And with just a few short clicks, you'll have access to all of the USPS and UPS services you need to ship your products or send mail. Not only is Stamps.com a huge time saver, but you'll also find major discounts up to 86% off. And if you need a package pickup, you can easily schedule it through your Stamps.com dashboard. So get ahead of the holiday chaos this year and get started with Stamps.com today. Sign up at Stamps.com/Ambition Strikes for a special offer that includes a 4-week free trial, free postage, and a free digital scale. There are no long-term commitments or contracts. Thanks again to Stamps.com for sponsoring this video.
It is the middle of December, and it has not stopped snowing since November. You guys, there's so much snow on the ground. We've been really busy working on the shop inside, getting everything wrapped up. And so sometimes we have to remind ourselves that we live up here also because it's fun. So we're going to take out the Snowverlander today and take advantage of this fresh snow.
I think the dogs are looking forward to an outing as well. Load up. It started. I wasn't sure if we were going to make it out of there. It was very stuck to the ground.
That's the road. We're gonna go that way. We're actually headed somewhere we haven't been this winter, which is our meadow at the bottom, and we're hoping that we can get there.
This hasn't been driven on or plowed or cleared or anything all winter, so it's 100% fresh snow other than maybe a few deer. It's deep. I'm going to attempt to ride on the back so I can film this all a little better.
What do I do now?
Keep driving.
I don't think you want to be up there for this.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, get off.
I'm fine. This is the best Santa's sleigh ride ever.
That is by far the deepest snow we have ever taken the Snowverlander in. I mean, it has to be.
I don't know, we should find a stick and see how deep it is.
But we made it down to our meadow. We don't come down here very often, but it is a really cool spot.
How deep is the snow?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, right there. I would say that's just over 2 feet.
Oh my gosh, you look like a snow monster. If you guys are new to the channel, this is our Snowverlander. Last winter, we didn't know what our road was gonna be like or if we were gonna even be able to get to our property. So we built these snow tracks, and it turns out that not only are they a great tool for getting to our property, but they're also just really fun. And if you would like to build your own snow tracks, we actually do have those plans available for purchase on our website, and I'll put a link down to that below. Now the question is, are we going to be able to get back up this hill?
I have no idea.
Oh my gosh, we made it! I really didn't know what to expect.
very successful. I think Bailey's a little bit happy to be back.
Well, what do you guys think? I think last year we got 72 inches of snow. What do you think we're gonna get this year? Because it's December and I think we're already at more than 3 feet. Put down in the comments below how much snow you think we're gonna get this winter. We have gotten feet of snow in the past few weeks and it's only December.
This is insane. This is so much more snow than we had last year.
It's just piling up everywhere. Pile there. Riley shoveled that yesterday. Look at this pile. This is probably, what, 5 feet tall? It is insane. I'm so glad that the plow truck is working right now.
Wait, run. It's sliding. Go look. It's sliding.
Okay. Oh, I'm running. I missed it.
You missed it.
We are headed out to plow again. This is our 3rd time plowing during this storm because it just keeps piling up. Riley is doing an incredible job plowing our road, but it is not easy. It's narrow, it's steep, it's rocky, and all of that is really hard on the plow and the truck. But he's doing a really good job. He can't stop once he starts, so he left me. There's a lot of snow on the road.
This was just testing. Out of the way, dear.
Oh, they're going to the left.
Oh my gosh, that looks like so difficult.
It's like belly deep.